Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to your own class organized by School of School Malkapur. So students, yesterday we have studied the types of angles. In that, adjacent angle we have studied. Adjacent angles means the angles they are neighbor to each other. Okay, like these are the adjacent angle. These are the not adjacent angle. Okay, for example, this and this angles are not adjacent to each other. Okay, this and this is adjacent, this and this adjacent. So here is also in angle AOB and AOC, they are also not adjacent because their arms should be into the opposite sides. They are in the same side. So these three conditions are there. In that they look like a same but they are not in adjacent. Okay, so to the adjacent angle we should know their vertex and their arm should be common of both angles, and their others arms are should be in opposite side. Okay, the next angle is linear pair. Linear pair is nothing but it is the pair of angles on the straight line. Their basis is straight. Okay, so and the sum of these two angles is 180. So already we studied that. Okay, the third type of angle is when two lines intersect each other, then the two pairs of equal angles form. Okay, when two lines intersect each other, that time the two pairs of equal angles form. That each pair is called as vertical opposite angle. Okay, so vertical opposite angles are equal. And okay, so suppose there two lines are intersect, then two pair of angles it form. When three lines are intersect, then three pair of angles is formed. Okay, so like that the understanding you should understand it. Now let's we try to understand the next concept, that is complementary angle. See my dear students, open your textbook and see very nicely, very simple thing. When two angles, measurements of two angles, if the sum of two angles measurement is equals to 90 degree. What? The sum of two angles measurement. This angle A and angle B. Angle A is 20 degree and angle B is 70 degree. The measurement of angle A and angle B, if it is sum of both measures is 90 degree, then we say that the given two angles they are complement to each other, or such a pair of angles is called as complementary angle. Understand? So angle A and angle B they are complementary. Why? Because 20 plus 70 it equals to 90. Yes or no? So this is also second pair, you can say 75 plus 15. So when sum of these two angles is also 75 plus 15 equals to 90. Therefore sum of these two angles is also 90. Therefore these two angles are complement to each other. Okay, like that the example is. Next example is supplementary angle. What is supplementary angle? The angle if the sum of the degree measures of pairs of angles is 180. Means when two angles are there, angle 1 and angle 2, the sum of two angles measures is how much? 180. Then these two angles is called as supplementary of each other. So very common sense is that complementary angles means what? The sum of angles should be 90 degree, and supplementary sum of angle is equals to 180 degree. See the example, may they the angles may be on the different figure, or we can say that together also. Okay, this is also, suppose this is here 60 degree and this is here 30 degree. So 60 plus 30 it equals to what? Complementary. It become 90 degree. Understand? For example, this and this angle is suppose 40 degree and this is your 50 degree. The sum of these two angles is also what? It's equals to 90 degree. So this is the complementary angles concept of. They may separate also. Is it not necessary they has to common vertex or something? Okay, and same thing it is for the concepts to the supplementary. Supplementary is what? If two angles, they can on the one line also. Okay, for example 120 and 60. So 120 plus 60 is equals to what? 180 degree. So therefore it is supplementary to each other. For example, there are two angles also separate. Okay, these two angles also sum. For example, this is 150 and this is 30. Therefore 30 degree plus 150 degree is equals to 180 degree. Therefore they both are supplementary to each other. Angles pair in the supplementary. So here are some examples. If angle A is 10, so angle B is what? To find out the complement, supplementary or complementary. 10 plus 80, it become 90. So 90 is complementary, 180 is supplementary. So okay, so in this way we have to find out this. We can solve also. See, 25, angle A is 25, so angle B what? For complementary. Complementary is what? 90. So we'll write here what? How we'll find out? See, angle A is equals to 25 degree, B is equals to don't know, and they are complementary. Complementary means what? 90 degree. Yes or no? This is complementary, so it is 90 degree. So I will find out A plus B is equals to 90 degree. This is the exam formula of complementary. Supplementary formula is what? See, what is the formula of complementary? A plus B is equals to 90 degree, and supplementary formula is what? A plus B is equals to 180 degree. Understand? This is the formula of complementary and supplementary. So we can find out here A is what? 25. So therefore 25 plus B is what? We have to find it, 90. And how will we find out the B? B is equals to 90 minus 25. So therefore B is equals to what? See, 765. Okay, so we'll write here B is equals to 65. How? Here is 190 degree minus 25 is equals to 65. So here is now second example. In that way you can draw it. Okay, I hope you understand it. See, 95 plus 85, and it become what? 95 plus 85. They are not supplementary also, not complementary also. Why? Because the sum, no, their sum is, sorry, 180 it is equals to 180. So therefore it is supplementary. Understand? If we have to find out, one angle is given 64 and another we have to find out, it is what? Complementary. So how we will find it? 90 minus 64, and what answers will come? 64, 74, 84. Okay, and 6 degree. Understand? So like that, this is supplementary means what? 180 degree minus 116. Then you will get the answer. It is supplementary, so 180 minus 20 degree, and that is what answer will come here? 160. Here what answer will come? 120 minus 80 is 64. Anna? So in this way you can find out the answer. If it is complementary and one angle is given, so 90 degree minus 83, and therefore 7 degree is second answer. If it is supplementary, so 180 degree minus given angle, and then we will find out the another angle, that is 90 degree. I hope you understand and complete these examples. Solid example is also given. Okay, solid example also practice in the same way is given. So as same as try to write all solid example in your notebook, and tomorrow we'll see the exercise 9.1. If possible you can do it also, so try to solve it. It is possible that the angle complementary to each others are both acute, both obtuse. See, if they are complementary, so they both are acute, because the sum of 90 degree is no complementary means, so therefore they are, though angles are less than 90 degree, they both are acute. Okay, both right angles, one acute and one obtuse, so other option is wrong, so this is only. Okay, it is yes, it is no, no, no. Without using the protractor and compass, can you draw the supplementary angles of the angles? Yeah, how? Supplementary means what? 180 degree. Draw one line and any one line. Yes or no? This is supplementary angles. Or you can draw in between. This is 90 and this is 90. Like this. Because they are, so what is the answer? Because they are on the straight line. So that's why we can draw and any line on it. Okay. 9.1. Yes, by producing one arm on the side of the vertex of the angle. That's I said. Okay. And next, are the following angles are adjacent? Give reason. They are not adjacent. Why reason? Because they have not common vertex and common arm. See, though they are common, but their vertex are not common. These are no common arm is there, but vertex are not common. Here, common vertex also is not there, and arm is also not there. This is your adjacent angle. Yes, this is adjacent angle. This is also adjacent angle. Okay, so question number 3 answer is what? No, 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 yes, yes. Okay, and in that you can try to find out the adjacent angles. How? See, for example, I will find out the answer of this example. Here is x degree, 60 degree, 50 degree, z degree, and y degree. We have to find out the x, y, z. So first of all, you see angle x plus 60 degree. Its name is equals to what? 180. Straight line. So therefore x is equals to 180 degree minus 60. That is x is equals to 120. Okay. Now second you see angle 60 and y. Angle 60 degree plus y, they both are equal. Y vertical opposite. Angle. So therefore angle y is equals to 60 degree. Now next is z. I will find out angle y plus angle z plus 50 degree is equals to 180 because they are straight angle. So therefore y is what? 60 degree plus z is we have to find out, and that 50 is equals to 180. So therefore z is equals to 180 minus 110, dome sum. Therefore z is equals to what? 70. Another way of finding z is what? Angle x is equals to, see, angle x is equals to these two angles, z plus 50, and angle x is what? 120 is equal to z plus 50. Therefore z is equals to 120 minus 50. Therefore z is equals to 70. Understand? There are so many methods you can try to solve in that way. This is the first method and second method. I hope you understand. Try to solve exercise which are the pair is complementary, supplementary. Do the sum and find out. If their sum is 180, then it is supplementary. If their sum is 90, then it is complementary. If their sum is not 180, or they are not supplementary and complementary. Okay, and based on this diagram you answer this question. All the best. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.